Well, today didn't rain. Sure is cold though. I don't know what degrees it is, but I had my thermal long johns on all day. So, for those of you who don't know, I got my APU running. And it's running real good. Charged up the air conditioner. I think it could be used a little bit more in it though, because I had it running and it came back and it was not so cold. So we'll have to get another can, charge it up. But guess what? No more butt aches for me. We got these dudes in here. Yes, sir, Remo Bobber. Oh, man. Them things are soft. Yeah. They don't match anything. These gray seats. I'm sure Bob's in the background somewhere saying, yeah, it would have matched everything if you hadn't painted it red. He's not. Bob, the previous owner, he's not a fan of the red. I guess he got accustomed to the gray paint, but oh well. What can you say, man? Here. My hand was in the way. So yeah, there's the passenger seat over there. The armrests work on both sides. So yeah. I kind of got them a little greasy getting them in here. And so I had to clean them up again once I got them in here. Man, I still can't see over the dash. I don't like air in my seat. So for those of you saying, well, put some air in the seat. I don't like air in the seat. So anyway, I'll have to get them adjusted where I like them when I'm driving. I can sit here and play with them all I want, but until I start driving, I won't know exactly where I want them. So, but yeah, way more softer than them Rabbit seats, man. Them Rabbit seats were, man, they were perfect for the red interior, and they looked real good, and they had some nice material on them. Man, but my butt started hurting day one. 30 days later, I could barely even drive. So anyway, so we got that issue taken care of, and we got the AP unit running. So here, I'll show you. Oh, I got all my stuff laying on that I haven't put away yet. Here we go. Can you guys see? Yeah, here we go. There's the on. Now we'll give it a few seconds. You hear it beeping? Ta-da! And she is on. And the generator even works. So that's on. Let me see if I can put some heat on. Heat, because it's cold. Cringer on it. And this has got a high and a low, so you do that's low, and there's high. Boy, it really gets that AP unit going. And woo, boy, you can smell the heat kicking on. Yes, sir. So look here. For those of you riding in the bunk, got a little peephole through the back of the seat. So Even got one on the driver's side. See, you can put your long hair through there, or you can hang your hat down in there. Anyway, I'm really happy to have those seats in here, and I do hope that they are comfy on the road. They certainly look comfy, and what they are is they are from a conversion van, and they were in the back, the captain's chairs. They were in the back. That's why they're in such good condition. And they were the kind that removed. You turned up a lever and pulled them out. So they made it to me, and they are out of a 98. And in fact, when I was taking them apart and taking the base off of them, they were stamped 1997. So, man, they're about the same age as this truck. This is a 2000, and the motor and running gear in this truck is a 99. So, from the same era. Cool, huh? Anyway, thought I'd show you my seats. You guys have a great day. Peace. God bless. And later.